Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about fibers. Fibers are nothing but hair-like substance, but it's having outstanding flexibility, reasonable strength. Okay, the fibers is a hair-like substance with high degree of fineness and outstanding flexibility and reasonable strength. The short fibers is called as stable fibers, and then the long fibers is called filaments. Short fibers is called stable fibers, and then the long fibers is called filaments. Okay, next, what's the different type of fibers? What's the classification of fibers? Actually, the fibers are classified into two types. One is natural fiber and other one is man-made fiber. The name containing the definition of the fibers, natural fibers is derived or taken from or is a source is the nature. But in the man-made fiber is derived from natural fiber or it is fully synthesized in laboratory. So it is a difference between the natural fiber and then man-made fiber. The natural fiber based on the source further classified into three types. One is animal fiber, vegetable fiber and then mineral fibers. The man-made fibers based on the source, it is classified also three types. One is manufactured from natural feedstock, and then finally miscellaneous fibers. All them having particular examples. Okay, so the classification based on the broadly is two types. One is natural fiber. The second one is man-made fiber. One is natural fiber and other one is man-made fiber. The natural fiber is further classified into vegetable fiber and then the second classification is animal fiber. Third one is mineral fiber. The man-made fiber is further classified into derived from natural feedstock. Natural feedstock and derived from manufactured feedstock. And then the final one is miscellaneous fibers. So it's a classification. Okay, totally two type. One is natural, man-made fiber. Its further is vegetable, animal, mineral, and then the next one is natural feedstock, manufactured feedstock, and miscellaneous fiber. What is mean by vegetable fiber? What is mean by animal fiber? And what about the mineral fiber? Vegetable fiber is nothing but it's totally cellulose fiber. The vegetable fiber is a cellulose fiber. Animal fiber is the protein fiber. The mineral fiber is containing totally minerals, different type of minerals. The mineral fiber is containing two different type of minerals. What is the example? Vegetable fibers is derived or it's extract from any one of the plant like jute, cotton is an example of vegetable fibers. Example of the vegetable fiber is jute, linen, cotton. So the jute, linen, cotton, all the fibers are extracted from the natural things. And then the animal fiber is protein fiber, is extracted from animal skin or animal hair. Example, you know already the animal fiber best example is wool and silk. The mineral fiber is best example is aspartame. Is totally full of minerals, is containing full of minerals, but the mineral fibers having some side effect. It create lot of carcinogenic disease, carcinogenic effect. so it's banned somewhere. But very useful natural fibers are vegetable and animal fibers. Example of the vegetable fiber is cotton, silk and cotton, linen and jute. Vegetable fiber example is wool and silks. It is totally extracted from lamb and silkworm. Okay, next further classification of man-made fiber is totally three classification. One is natural feedstock fiber and other one is manufactured feedstock and other one is miscellaneous fiber. It is also classified based on the source. Natural feedstock is nothing but it's a derivative of natural fiber. Take example viscous rayon. Viscous rayon is the best example of natural feedstock fiber. Just viscous rayon is a derivative of cellulose fiber. Already you know the cellulose fiber is the best vegetable fiber. All the plant extracts known as an example of a cellulose fiber. Example cotton, jute like this. Okay, so this viscous rayon is nothing but is derivative of a natural feedstock. What is derivative? What is the meaning of the derivative? It's very simple. The viscous rayon is prepared or synthesized by using cellulose xanthate. What is that? Cellulose xanthate. Cellulose xanthate. Just the cellulose xanthate is the derivative of cellulose. The cellulose is converted into cellulose xanthate. The cellulose xanthate is known as viscous rayon. In the nowadays we are using lot of solvents for dissolve the cellulose fibers. Just to take the cellulose extract from plant and dissolve the cellulose by using the solvent like cellulose dry acetate. Just to dissolve the cellulose by using some solvents and convert it into cellulose acetate or cellulose diacetate or cellulose diacetate. Diacetate or diacetate. Using this cellulose diacetate and diacetate, just we prepared model that means viscous rayons. Okay, in later before somewhere before just we are using cellulose xanthate. Nowadays we are using cellulose acetate, dry acetate and cellulose diacetate for prepare the viscous rayon. Okay, what about manufactured feedstock? The manufactured feedstock is nothing but is a derivative of petroleum products. Just we take very low molecular petroleum products and we prepared or we synthesized manufactured feedstock fibers. Okay, so it is derived from petroleum products or gold and natural gas. Just take some low molecular weight compound from this petroleum product and then we derived the manufactured feedstock. Oh, what about miscellaneous fiber? Miscellaneous fiber is nothing but it's a silicate fiber. It's a glass fiber. It's called glass fiber. Just it's contained full of silicate compound. It's contained full of silicate compound. It is also contained silver fiber and gold fiber also. Okay, so it is a classification, total classification of fibers. Two different fiber already classified. One is natural manufactured. It is further classified vegetable, animal, mineral. It's also the example of the animal fiber, vegetable fiber and mineral fibers. It is the example for natural feedstock. It is the example for manufactured feedstock. It is the example for miscellaneous fiber. Okay, what is the difference? The natural fiber and the synthetic fiber. Actually, lot of difference are there. Nearly 15 difference are there between the natural and man-made fiber or synthetic fiber. The natural fiber is very comfort. Generally the natural comfort are very comfort. Natural fibers are very comfort to wear. Okay, and then it is not create any side effect for our human beings. But the man-made fiber, it's not comfort and also it create lot of problems for humans body, human skins. So now we are going to discuss about what is the difference between the natural fiber and the man-made fiber. Just we create the two columns here. One is natural fiber and other one is synthetic or man-made fiber. Just make it two columns, one for natural fiber and one for synthetic fiber. Okay, what is the difference between the natural fiber and synthetic fiber? Natural fiber, it is derived from natural. The first best point is it is derived or synthesized from or taken from, get from nature. It is developed by man. It is developed by man. Second point is it is less durable. It is less durable. And then it is more durable than natural fiber. It is less durable natural fiber. The synthetic fiber are more durable because easily teared, you know, right? Third point is it's totally depend the nature. It's not depend the nature. No depends. It is comfort as well as good for health. Comfort and good for health. Synthetic fiber is not comfortable and not good for health. The fifth point is it's controlled by nature. It is totally controlled by man. And then the sixth point is it is hydrophilic. You know what is meant by hydrophilic, right? So it is hydrophilic nature. It's easily absorbed, water loving. You know, we are wearing the cotton fiber means it is easily absorb the water. But like just a synthetic fiber like any one of the rayon fiber or nylon, like suppose we wear nylon shirt means it's not absorb the water like cotton fiber. It is hydrophobic nature. The seventh point is it is expensive. You know, it's a cotton means it is very expensive, but nylon is not expensive. Not expensive. And then the eighth point is cannot be controlled length, because suppose that one tree is growing means is grown, the plant is grown means grown. That's not controlled by our own man, by man. Okay, length cannot be controlled. Length can be controlled by man. It is favorable for finishing. It is not favorable for finishing. That actually this fiber is that natural fiber is not favorable for finishing. It is favorable for finishing. The 10th point is it is easy to dye. It's not easy to dye. The 11th point is no spinning process required for preparing the fiber or filament. No spinning process required. But it required spinning process for create the filament. 12th point, it is easily dust and trash. It is not no dust, easily not is dust and trash. Remind, that means dust is not create any dust and trash. The natural fiber is not creating dust and trash, but synthetic fiber is create no dust, no trash. It's out less lifetime. It is more lifetime. So it is a difference between natural and then the synthetic fibers.